Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Back again with me Zakia Umami. Now on this occasion I will explain the material about describing efforts to improve English writing skills. Happy listening! In the growth and development of the potential of early childhood, it is necessary to pay attention to the development and condition of children and the media used. This is done to improve the quality of children. In improving the quality of early childhood education, it is necessary to have a basic understanding of children's self-understanding, especially what happens in the learning process. This happens so that we can find out whether or not the difficulties experienced by children in the learning process. According to the Journal of the Language Teacher, expressing one's opinion through convincing arguments is important from the perspective of effective communication. Mastering effective argumentative writing can empower students, as it entails producing professional, ethical, and political discourse. To improve the ability to write English, you can use image media. While this research design used two designs at once, there are quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative design to collect and analyze data in the form of numbers. For example, analysis of learning management data for students. Bagaimana cara supaya murid bisa menulis dengan baik?
Supaya murid bisa menulis dengan baik, kita lakukan hal-hal yang sederhana dulu. Jangan terlalu membebani anak dengan langsung menulis huruf, angka, dan sebagainya. Untuk perkenalan pertama, anak kita ajar supaya cara bisa membaca huruf. Dengan adanya dia membaca huruf, dia akan gemar untuk menulis. Nah, dengan adanya itu, anak juga kita tidak boleh memaksakan harus nulis terlalu banyak, karena baru awal mula pembelajaran, anak itu lebih senang diajak bermain sambil belajar. Karena dengan bermain sambil belajar, dia akan mengerti, oh dengan cara begini menulis, dan kita juga harus meneliti. Apa anak ini dia bisa menulis atau belum, kita jangan memaksakan. Nah, cara kita sederhana saja, gitu kan. Cara kita sederhana untuk mengajak anak itu sudah bisa menulis, kita mendekatkan buku-buku yang ada di sekitarnya.
From the interview, we can compare that start writing with the simplest things. If we expect children who are just learning to have good writing or use ourselves as benchmark in confirming the child's proficiency in the learning process, then this is something that is not right. Someone who diligently reads will certainly become familiar with writing techniques and writing styles that match his personality. And the previous discussion regarding observation, which means how to observe data collection technique. This data is carried out using an observation or assessment format that has been prepared, including careful observation of the implementation of action from time to time and their impact on the process and student learning outcomes. Maybe that's all explanation that I can say describing about efforts to improve English writing skills. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.